This video is not about any tips or tricks that can help you to become fluent in English. It is about a real experience. Yeah. Yesterday, this very spot, I was talking with a man on the phone. I was simply practicing English, and I encountered a man after talking 30 minutes. He was quite beginner, and you know my friend what he was speaking? He was telling again and again, I always make mistake. Every time I try to speak with people on phone, I make mistake. At times I become blank. And you know what I replied him? I said, it is perfectly okay. Mistake cannot define you, you are weak. It cannot define you, you cannot do anything. Everybody commit mistakes. So what is wrong in making mistake? But he was not getting my point. Yeah. So through this man, what I have understood was completely shocked me. Initially, I was just like this man. Yeah. Throughout the day, I always con- contemplate over my mistake. This is this is not good. Yeah. See, in our India, even today, so many people consider if you make mistake, you are a failure. Yeah, if you make mistake, you are a failure. You will be considered failure. You will not be respected by people. People will say you are no use of. You are good for nothing. You are pointless. No, no. Every successful people, every successful scientist, every people we see who have achieved something in their life, they commit mistake. And some commit terrible mistake. बहुत खराब गलती किए हैं. But despite making mistake, they move forward. Yeah, they kept on moving. Yeah. So mistake cannot define you. You cannot do anything. Deep down, it can define you. It can define you can do something. Yeah. So this why the thing. Yeah, mistake is not everything. Why people take it too much seriously? Why don't you take it granted? हल्के में क्यों नहीं लेते हो? We should always take mistake granted. Yeah. But at the same time, if we commit same mistake over and over, it will be foolishness. It is stupidity. Don't repeat the very mistake which you do every day. Yeah. Well, I just wanted to inform you through this video. Learn from your mistake and don't attempt to repeat the same mistake. Yeah. And second, laziness. He was speaking about laziness. Laziness will never help you grow in your career. It will never let you reach where you want to approach in your life. Yeah. Today, if I were lazy, if I was lazy, would I hear today? Would I be speaking? Would I be giving you advice about English? How I learn English? Which sort of problem I go through every day? No, not at all. Excuses and laziness are really bad thing on this planet. Yeah. And some people are badly obsessed with this thing. Yeah. And you know the amazing thing is they don't even try to come out of this thing. Yeah, but not everybody is like this. I have talked about few people. Yeah. So never put down yourself. I mean, never degrade yourself because of mistakes, because of laziness. Yes. We are human. We have reflecting power. Yes, we have the ability to think what we should do. Yeah. So this was my video. Yeah, this was the thing I wanted to inform you. I'm not going to speak uh, anymore.